Hi guys, we're here at the Stuart Weitzman store. We were talking about the Indian Derby and we wore this beautiful dress from Kenneth Cole. I wanted to give you guys a few more options in terms of what you could wear in footwear at the Derby. So the first shoe that I really liked at the Stuart Weitzman store is this wedge that I found. It's got a lot of colors, it's got a lot of brown as well. It works really well for the daytime and it goes really well with this outfit. Also because this is a completely single toned outfit. So I'm going to try these and I'm going to show you how they look. Guys, we just saw that we want to experiment with colors. The theme of the Derby is bold and beautiful. And the option for that really bright and colorful wedge is that if you like and you don't want to wear wedges, you could obviously wear these beautiful flats. They're similar color tone, similar fabric used on top, but they're flats and they're very comfortable. So this is another pair that I saw at Stuart Weitzman, which is beautiful. And it's got this gladiator theme going. It's got these multiple lines. It's got elastics here. It's going to be very comfortable for you to wear, and it's got a velvet suede going on. So I'm going to show you these as well as an option with this dress. Black goes with practically anything. Stuart Weitzman, this is the only store in India, and these particular shoes were made for the Indian market, and they're called rose gold glitter. This beautiful shine that you see on top is called rose gold glitter. They are 100% leather, and this is the only store in the world that has these particular shoes. So obviously, we have to have them at the Derby. We have to show you what these beautiful shoes are, and surprisingly, they go perfectly well with what I'm wearing. So I'm going to show you a little bit about these shoes as well. We've seen 4 different looks of what we want to probably have in our mind when we go shopping for the Indian Derby. The only thing you want to remember is that comfort is a very main and important key in this. You have a long day walking, you have a long day of sitting in the sun. Please make sure that you're wearing something that you're very comfortable in. So these are my few tips for the Derby. I hope you have a great time at the McDowell's Signature Indian Derby.